So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our using USD Swiss franc. So this is our USD Swiss franc, and this is what USD Swiss franc should be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what markets will be doing for the day, I want you guys to make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel if you've not done that yet. So that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update we'll be dropping for you guys. So guys, once again, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. What can we see our USD Swiss franc is? Let's do in-depth analysis on what USD Swiss franc is, so we'll be able to predict some market to be doing for the day. So let's start with our trend. We can clearly see that our USD Swiss franc says that we are in a downtrend move. It is very clear that USD Swiss franc is on a downtrend move, right? Previously, it was rallying up, right? But now market is now dropping. So you can see right here, market did give us a massive low. Here comes the pullback phase, right? Now with this pullback, we will be expecting market to drop to form a new low, thereby taking out this low and forming a new lower low. Right, that is exactly what we should be expecting on our USD Swiss franc, right? It should just to form a new low. Now let's go down to our 4-hour time frame, guys. So this is it right here. Now the market has dropped. Now let's for quick, if you do not understand it, take a look at this pattern. What can you see the pattern is? It says an head and shoulder pattern. You all know what an head and shoulder pattern is. It means a reversal movement. So now market has given us the head and shoulder pattern, which made it to drop. Market has now given us a pullback, which is a lower high. Market eventually was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Here comes the lower high. Now this is the new lower low, right? This is an equal low. So now market has given us an equal low, which is a pullback, which is a lower high. With this lower high, we should expect the market to give us some more drop. Since it's able to form a new low, thereby forming a new lower low. So guys, we should expect the market to drop one time to take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move is what you should be expecting for the day. If you not yet subscribe, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share also, so you will not miss out on the next updates we'll be dropping for you guys.